I got a package. That's right. What's up, guys? Digital Tech White here, back at it again with a new video. Today in this video, today we're going to be doing an unboxing from techthatyt. Yes, techthatyt himself, the dude with 1,400 something subscribers last time I checked. So shout out to him because he actually sent this through no money gained whatsoever. This is mainly just so I can repair a couple of things. I'm gonna show them off, and then one of them is just he threw in, he doesn't really care about. So we're gonna unbox it now. What we're gonna do is, I'll probably just come back to here with okay, I think I found a way to open it, so we're gonna open up and okay, so we got 3 things here from the video. This is just gonna be a short video. First up, this is what I'm gonna install right now: an LG battery for my LG Stylo 2 Plus that I found in Target. It's actually an OEM one. I'm probably gonna see if it has any charge, and if not, I'll just charge it up. And bam. Oh, it's turning on, so that's actually gamer. Next up, we have this Moto G. It goes into a boot loop. I want to see if it still has a charge. Which it doesn't. Okay. Finally, not the least, there's actually 2 more things. First, a case for my LG Stylo 2 Plus, and then an LG Stylo, just the original. And I'm gonna go into more depth on why he sent me this one, or I'm just gonna see if there's anything besides the stylus, because I know that has it. No, I expected a little bit of water damage. Now, this is turning on and it shuts on for a quick second. So I'm gonna go into the reason why he got me the LG Stylo and the case and whatever. So let me just clear off the desk first. Alright guys, it's another day. I had like a whole day to get through this stuff. So basically I'm gonna do the update on this phone, the newest one. This works completely fine now. Just let it charge up for a bit. Before, the battery was doo-doo, but I had to charge it up. But it fully works. Nothing's wrong with it. I tested everything. It's even unlocked on T-Mobile or Metro. So if I wanted to, I could try using this, but not really as a main. Then again, the screen's probably better on that, so who knows. Here's the LG Stylo Ryan gave me. Before, I had problems with it charging. So what I did was I soldered a whole like other cable that I pulled off my USB hub that was like dying, because I soldered like a full cable to it, like a micro USB, and then I kind of just soldered it to the positive and negative. Negative is just ground, so I just soldered it to like the side where the charging port should be. And then I found positive, and I found a test pad. So I soldered the 2 there instead, and apparently it worked out fine. And then what I did next is I got a micro USB from a Motorola G4 Play. And here's what's left. I accidentally bent the pins. Doesn't matter. I'm probably gonna do like a restoration of that phone maybe in the future. But what I did is I didn't fully like connect the phone because it would be a hassle, but I took the micro USB port, I soldered it in so it'd stay still whenever I plugged it in. And what I did is I soldered a little wire to the positive, and I just heated it up with solder on it so it would connect, and then I connected to the positive. And negative was just really easy. I just took the negative pin and I shorted it with the ground on the actual charging port, like the metaling, because it was connected to the phone anyway, so it'd act as a negative. And that's for something with the cable, so it'd connect to the phone at all. And as you can see, it's 100%. And I fully plug it in. Alright, so it's plugged in. It's not charging right now, but that's because it's disconnected. But once I plug it in, yep, it actually charges. I'll probably try linking a video down to techthatyt's video where he found this. It's a really good phone, and it even comes with the stylus, but the back was kind of cracking. The only problem is, I could take this out. there's a bulge, so I had to cut out something in like the frame or casing. Nothing in like the actual logic board, but like the actual like phone, like part of it. As you can see right here, it's been bulging a bit, but it still works. It's not like I'm gonna put a custom ROM on this anytime soon, because I think there isn't really any. And if there is, I'm probably gonna install my LG Stylo 2 Plus, which, to be honest, is a better phone. So I guess that'd be the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you all next time. And before I go, link down to techthatyt's channel and the video where he found this phone. Thank you for everything, and peace out.